Well, let's see, this is day whatever. So on a Wednesday after their 1 week. Got one here just a cooling it. The tail is tickling its belly, so it keeps moving. And we got the little runt there. I've been putting him on separate. You can see the size difference. And here's some of the others. Got one with his head stuck down where it feels comfortable. That one's still tickling the belly of the other one with its tail, so it keeps squirming around. And they're making their little puppy noises. Oh, let's see, help me. I can't get up. Say I'm too fat.